To identify your HyperX headset, start by looking for the model number, usually engraved on the ear cup or headband near the HyperX logo. This is crucial for troubleshooting, finding drivers, and warranty claims. Model numbers follow a consistent format. For example, KHX-HSC-RD is for the original Cloud headset, and KHX-H3AARD is for the Cloud Alpha Wireless. The KHX prefix stands for Kingston HyperX, H indicates headset, followed by a series code. Wireless models often include W in the code. Examine physical features to narrow it down. Look at ear cup design, closed back for noise isolation, open back for audiophile sound. Check if the microphone is detachable and the cable type, USB-C for newer wireless models or 3.5mm for wired ones. If you can't find a visible model number, use HyperX's digital verification methods. Start by locating the serial number, often found on the headband. Enter the serial number on the HyperX support website for precise model details. In 2024, HyperX launched a model finder tool on their website where you can upload a photo of your headset for identification. The HyperX NGENUITY software automatically identifies your headset when connected and provides custom settings and firmware updates. Be aware of common mistakes. Don't rely solely on color or appearance, as similar models can look alike. Always cross-reference with the official HyperX website or forums. Using these digital methods, you'll accurately identify your HyperX headset, ensuring you get the correct support and updates.